Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBet Solutions. So some pretty unfortunate news, as a lot of you guys have probably noticed. Just as an example, /NQ, which and again is a future for NASDAQ, is down a little bit under 4% already as it moves into the extended hours for tomorrow. S&P 500 is down, Dow Jones is down, crude oil, just natural gas. Everything is selling off. That sells off when the market sells off, right? And this 100% has to do with the coronavirus. One of the questions that we got this morning within the Learn, Plan, Profit live trading session is, I've been trying to do my best, sharing the idea that we do not know when the stock market is going to stop selling off. All we know and all we can take more time to inform ourselves on is what is causing the stock market to sell off. We've made it very clear. The coronavirus is one of the biggest reasons that the market is selling off. There are a series of different factors. There is the crude oil war between Russia and Saudi Arabia. There are a series of other news when it comes down to Trump trying to lower interest rates and stuff like that. But altogether, one of the biggest reasons is this coronavirus outbreak and how the market reacts to it. So the news that we received today, and literally the market reacted right away with almost a 2% sell-off as soon as this news was released. And President Trump decided, according to his statement, is as of this Friday, all travel to any European countries are going to be suspended for the next 30 days. Which is completely mind-boggling. If you guys remember, last week alone, I was in Europe. I was in Greece. I was in Spain. So it's absolutely so crazy. I know a lot of people maybe don't travel, but altogether, I would really take this time to inform yourself about what is going on. It's not that the coronavirus is the most deadly virus out there. That's not the point. It's not for you to try to minimize the virus and try to make it less severe than it actually is. It's how quickly it is spreading and how it is affecting the market. There's no question about it. People continue to ask, when's the bottom of this sell-off? And I have continued to try to share, and I agree, it's my opinion, but the overall idea that it's not to worry, my concern is not, hey, am I buying at the very bottom? But it's more going to the root of the cause, right? And in this case, it's the coronavirus, right? And what is happening? Things are getting worse. There is no vaccine. There's nothing that is showing signs of us containing this virus or getting any better. China is getting worse. It's infecting Italy. It's spread to a majority of Europe. It's all over the United States. And now we are in pretty much a 30-day lockdown when it comes down to being able to travel from Europe. And this is huge. I can only imagine how American Airlines is going to be affected and a lot of major other airlines. It's so mind-boggling. So I wanted to make this video to inform you about why the market is selling off so you can be better guided in dedicating your own time to read up more about what was said and how to take that information to make the best trade or investment decisions. But what I wanted to share with you is to understand the root of what is going on. And that is that the coronavirus is not getting any better. We're not containing the virus. Therefore, if we're not containing it, how do we expect an actual recovery? So for everyone that is encouraging you to buy the dip, there is no indication, even on the technical side, of a reversal. We just made new lows on NASDAQ, S&P 500, and Dow Jones. And altogether, we are not showing any signs of improvement in containing this virus. So how can we expect our market to recover when there's no fundamental or any technical reason for the market to recover? So it's not asking when is the market going to stop selling off, but it's dedicating time to inform yourself about what's causing the market to sell off and then giving it enough time for it to actually get contained and for us to actually recover from. I'm open to any ideas. Feel free to share anything that you think that would be useful for someone that wants to gather a little bit more information about the coronavirus and how to better prepare. So altogether, just a friendly little reminder, again, Just because something sold off, just because something made new lows, doesn't mean that it can't go any lower. Understand the root of a cause and make sure that you're not a hopeful trader or a hopeful investor, but that there's a reason behind everything it is that you do. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Safe trading tomorrow. Again, tomorrow is one of my favorite days to day trade in the stock market. It's the natural gas report. It's going to be one wild day as natural gas is already down over 4%. So it should be very interesting. Please watch your position size. Please do not force a trade. And if anything, during such a volatile market, one of the best trades that you can sometimes take is not taking one at all and putting yourself at risk. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you guys want to watch and tune in to my live trading session as soon as tomorrow, that's going to be that second link down below. Like always, guys, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.